Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to fix a sticking door on a door frame. If you've got a wooden door that's not been treated or painted, then this can expand due to moisture in the atmosphere. Now on this particular door here, it's catching on the door frame, and I think it's because I've been doing lots and lots of surfing. There's lots of moisture in this small bathroom and the door is actually swollen a little bit. So what you need to do is find out first where it's sticking. Now the easiest way to do this is to go on the other side in the dark and turn the light on, and as you close it you can see where any light stops coming through. So on this one I can see that the door is catching on the frame at the bottom. Let's just go into the bathroom and look at the door from the other side. We're now inside the bathroom. Just going to close it again. And it's definitely catching right here at the bottom. So on yours, if you just locate where it's actually catching, you can actually see a bit of paint there on the bottom of the door. It's first worth checking the hinges on the door to make sure that the screws haven't come loose, and that is why the door is sagging a little bit. And the hinges on this door are absolutely fine, so it's not that. It's just that the door is probably swollen a bit. Get a good firm grip on the end of the door and give it a wiggle, see if it moves about. If it doesn't move about, we can go to the next step. And for this you're going to need some sandpaper. And there's various different types of coarseness for sandpaper. 80 is quite rough, that will really sand it down really quickly. I'm going to use 120, which is a little bit smoother, not quite as coarse. So take some sandpaper. This is a 120 sheet here. The first thing that you can try is take your sandpaper and then hold it in the door frame as you open and close the door, and this should rub down the door, but I didn't find this too effective because the sandpaper just keeps moving. So I know that the door at the bottom here needs sanding off. It doesn't need too much. I've just got some 120 coarse sandpaper here, and I'm just going to sand the bottom of this door frame. I'm doing it on the inside part where it closes into the frame. It's not going to need too much. There we go. Let's try that. Look at that. Nice simple fix, and the door is closing properly. Absolutely fantastic. Let's just check it on the other side. Great stuff, really great stuff, and I tell you what, that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. Semi-skimmed organic milk, no sugar, nice and strong. If you're going to be following any of my how-to videos, then definitely please have a lovely cup of tea. It definitely helps. I hope you found that useful. Up on this side, there's a video on what to do if your dishwasher is not draining water properly. And over on this side, there's a video on how to keep your washing machine hygienically fresh. Thanks for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.